You have learned how to add ing to the end of the word. You have learned that sometimes there is no spelling change to the base word, and sometimes you will drop the E and then add ing. I have those two columns in your activity over to the side. The first column says no spelling change. You will type the word there with the ing ending if there is no spelling change to the base word. The second column says drop silent E. You will type the ing form of the word in that column if you have to drop the E and then add ing. I've done the first two for you. For the first one, you have the word fidget. Fidget requires no spelling change because it ends with a single vowel and then a consonant. So you just add ing. For the second word, educate, you will put it in the drop silent E column. Educate ends with an E, so we have to drop the E and then add ing. You will do the rest on your own.